Hello everybody, Alex from Guitar Academy here, and today I am going to show you how to play a transportable lick in the key of A minor, which goes between position 5, position 1 and position 2, and it sounds something like this. So what's happening in this lick is I'm starting off in position 5, so I'm going to play the 3rd fret and the 5th fret on the low E string. I'm actually hammering onto that note there, so like that. And then we're going to do the same thing on the A string. So once I get to the A string, I'm going to slide up to the 7th fret on the A string. So we've got this so far. And then we're going to do basically the same pattern, but on the first position of the A minor pentatonic scale. So write on these notes here. So that's the 5th fret on the D string, 7th fret on the D string, and the same on the G string there, so 5 and 7, so all together. And then we're going to basically repeat that pattern, so when we get to the 7th fret on the G string, we're going to slide up to the 9th. So far. And then we're going to finish up on the highest octave of this particular lick, which is going to be in the 2nd position of the A minor pentatonic. So that will sound something like this. So that's going to be on the 8th fret of the B string, 10th fret of the B string, 8th fret on the high E string, 10th on the high E, slide up to the 12th, and then we're going to finish off the lick on this A note, which is on the 10th fret of the B string. So that lick all together. And up to speed. Maybe a little bit quicker. And there you go, a lick that you can transpose into all sorts of different keys, using lots of different contexts, and it's a really nice way of sort of mapping your way across the fretboard and linking different positions together so you're not stuck in one little box basically. So have some fun with that, and I will see you in a future video.